At Siemens, we understand that design is more than just creating models. It's about experiencing them. With Designcenter Solid Edge, we're revolutionizing how engineers interact with complex assemblies. Imagine navigating through intricate designs as if you're walking through a real-world space. Our breakthrough walkthrough command solves a critical challenge engineers face, visualizing large, complex models from a first-person perspective. Whether you're using a keyboard, mouse, or even an Xbox controller, you can now explore your designs with unprecedented freedom. But this isn't just about movement. Our walkthrough feature allows you to record fly-through paths, which can be seamlessly integrated into the animation editor. These animations can later be exported from Designcenter Solid Edge or taken into KeyShot. This means you can create dynamic presentations, conduct immersive design reviews, and communicate your vision with clarity. Designcenter Solid Edge is where design meets discovery and innovation transforms into reality, empowering engineers, designers, and creators with intuitive workflows and breakthrough capabilities, one walkthrough at a time.